Hey, my darlings. Welcome, guys, to another Tools of the Trade video. Today, we are deep diving into Metricool, a powerful tool that will help you plan, schedule, and analyze your social media content all in one place. So whether you're juggling a full-time job and growing your side business and managing multiple different platforms to help you grow your personal brand, Metricool can seriously help you reclaim your time and also streamline your strategy. This is a tool that I have actually been using for about 2 months now. I love many of the features of this tool, especially when you consider the fact that it's free. Because I am in the process of building what I'm calling my own online empire. Yes, I'm naming it and claiming it. I'm naming it and claiming it. And what I'm seeing through this journey is that you need a lot of tools. So I wanted to kick off a Tools of the Trade series where every Tuesday I'm going to be bringing you guys a new and different tool that I'm testing, thinking about, or have tried or currently use in my business. So today, Metricool is one of the tools that I'm actively actually using, and I'm enjoying using this tool because, honey, if it's going to be free and it's going to give me all these different features, check, check, check. I used to use Hootsuite a long time ago when Hootsuite was free and not like, I don't know, $99 or whatever the heck it is right now. So Hootsuite is a great option for you, my girlies, who want to put your name out there and want to grow your social media, and you want to do it in a way that is systematic, strategic. So in today's walkthrough, I am going to introduce the tool to you guys and show you guys everything that it can do. I'm also going to show you guys some of the scheduling functions. So this will be a walkthrough, a step-by-step setup so that you can actually get started as quickly as possible. I also am going to share a little bit about their pricing structures and a lot of their special features. So whatever your note-taking tool of choice is, and let's get right into this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lessons Lived. My name is Nandy, and if you are new here, thank you for joining us. I'm so happy you found our little corner of the internet. Ours is a community of ambitious women who take action. We leverage our full-time jobs so that we can build scalable side businesses because we know that wealth isn't an escape plan, it's a power move. If you, my darling, are ready to turn your career into capital, your expertise into income, and your business into a legacy, you're in the right place. Let's get to work. This is where I'm now going to switch into the screen share to show you exactly all of the different features that Metricool offers you, right? So I'm going to just walk you through the platform, everything you can do. I'm going to show you guys the content creation, how to link your social media. So I really want you guys to see how easy this tool is for you to use. I'm going to stop my chit-chatting and let's go right into the screen share. Now let's review all of the different features you get with Metricool. I like Metricool because it makes my life easier, and I do have to say so far I am enjoying the interface. Once again, I'm testing out all these different platforms, so I'm only on the free plans until at one I can really figure out which one I want to move forward with, and two, when I can start getting some money in my business. If I can make it with just the free plan, guess what? I'm sticking to just the free plan. So this is what the interface looks like. On the left hand side, you have all of your different accounts, and you can see which one of the accounts are connected. I have my Facebook connected, my Instagram, my Threads, my Pinterest, my YouTube, Twitch. If you had TikToks and all of the nines, you could connect those up here. And it's also on this section that you can get reports, hashtag trackers if you're tracking them, and your brand settings. So let's look at the report section. The report section would look something like this. So you can pick the period where you want to review all of your different reports. You can pick your template, but of course this is a premium feature, but I also don't have enough data to be able to print a report. Metricool is great for people who are social media managers. So if I was managing somebody's account and I wanted to send them a report of how their social media site is doing, this is something I could send them. And on the right hand side here, you kind of see what the report looks like and how you could customize it. And you could select which accounts you wanted to add to the report and what time frame. And you could also customize the report with your logo. You could automatically automate a monthly report to be sent. So here is where you will send your email. Of course, this is an upgraded feature. Now let's move on to the hashtag tracker. There were specific hashtags you wanted to track. This is where you would do that. I haven't done that, so I really don't know how this feature works, but it looks like you could add your hashtag here. Let's say hashtag budget with me, and I want to track this for 7 days starting from today. I want to track it on Instagram. Create a session. Oh, I have to pay for that? No. So you have to pay for it, right? I am not familiar with social media. I'm still learning. I don't know the purpose of tracking a hashtag. If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. But I am not very familiar with tracking hashtags. But here are all, like, you could save your hashtags here and see how they're doing. There's a lot that I need to learn, but it's good to know that there's a tool here. So it says for 25 euros, you can track any hashtags for 24 hours per social network. Pay only for what you use by setting the days and sessions you want to monitor. You can take advantage of this offer by buying credit in advance to use it anytime you want. Also, if you buy 4 days, you get 1 day free. All sessions are limited to 25,000 Twitter posts, 10,000 Instagram posts. If you need track sessions with more activity, you can contact us using the chat. So yeah, you can track them. Brand settings. So this is where you can set up all of your different brand settings. This is also a paid feature. I added my logos here. Let's see, connections. Here are all of my different connections. If you wanted this website to be branded with your brand, that's a premium feature. And you can even add different brands, right? For example, this social media thing is for customer X. You add all of their branding. Then you will add customer 2, which will be brand 2, brand 3, and customize it that way. So you could add, like, I already have a brand added. I could add a different brand and just keep adding more brands. Okay, so that is everything on the left hand side. Now let's take a look at the top menu bar. You have your analytics section here, and this is also part of the overview page. It kind of shows you how you're growing across all of your social media platforms. Oh, actually no, this is just showing Facebook. I'm wondering if I could change it. You need to upgrade to view data older than 3 months. Okay, so I had 374 impressions, 51 page visits, 10 total content. So I had 9 posts, 1 reel. And then down here you have your balance of likes, you have view periods. So somewhere, like, yeah, around Christmas, that's when I had the most views and impressions and reactions. Since then they've been pretty steady. I'm very new. I have almost 0 presence, so this is just my reality. Total click, page likes, published in period, so 59 0.2 engagement, 41 reactions, 8 reach posts, 79 impressions, interactions. And then here's kind of the types of content. I have images, 6 images and 3 videos. Organic versus promoted, so I'm not really promoting anything right now. And here is everything that I've posted, the reactions, the comments, the shares, the likes. I got so many clicks on this one. I guess I got my most clicks on what if 2025 became the year you took control. 5 impressions, 5 reach. And then down here is a summary of everything. So reels published, it's saying that I only published 1 reel because the other ones are not showing up as reels. And I got 75 engagements, 3 interactions. So here's the reel that I published. Yeah, so there's a lot that you can see in terms of data. I'm still very new. I'm taking it one day at a time. Inbox, this is a feature that I really like because you can answer your post directly from here. So somebody answered my question here. I will be answering people directly from here. Yeah, let me see if I can answer her. Okay, I will deal with this later. But anyhow, so you could answer comments directly from here. I'm a big fan of the inbox feature because it makes life easier and it helps you stay engaged without necessarily always having to go to the app. Even though from everything I'm learning, you still need, like, all of these apps are greedy and they want you in there on a daily basis. So if you want your presence to grow, you have to actually be physically getting into the app, commenting, etc. yourself. And then before we go into the planning, let's look at everything else because I use the planning more than anything else. Smart links, you can upgrade here. Multiple links in your social media and clickable button take your audience to strategic content from your social media network. Create links of all of your posts. And then there's your ads section. So this is where you can manage your ads here. Meta, Google, and TikTok ads. Let's go into the planning because this is what I use this site for more than anything else. You get 50 available posts in your plan every month as a free poster. So for me, this is what I have coming up today. I have this video that's going to launch and this post. So let me show you how you can add. So you can search for posts. Let's say passive income. It shows you anything about passive income that I'm posting, budgeting. It shows you what I'm posting about budgeting. It's pretty cool. You can look at next week and see what you have coming up next week. Okay, I have some things in my drafts. You can look at the best time for YouTube, Instagram, and you can look at the best time for Facebook. Right. For Instagram, I don't have anything, maybe because I really haven't been posting a whole lot. And here you can connect to your Google Drive and send things directly from your Google Drive. You can also connect this to your Canva and send files directly from your Canva. This is how you can schedule a post. You can add your message here. You can upload a picture, or you can upload from a URL. Let's say I wanted to upload this picture. You can see it showing up here, like previews are here. Right now it's showing up as me only, post only going to Facebook and Instagram. Let's add Threads, Pinterest, and YouTube. So on YouTube, video not available because it's just for videos. This is what it would look like on Pinterest. This is what it would look like on Threads. This is for Instagram and this is for Facebook. You can also see what it will look like on the computer if it looks different, right? And you can show media viewer. So this is just an enlarged image of the post. And so what you can do here, you can save it as a draft. You can save it in your post library. If let's say you were batch creating content, like sitting down, what I like to do, sit down for one day, create all of this batching. You can just create posts in your library, but I just save them as drafts. You can schedule the post or you can publish now. So let's save this one in our draft. And if you schedule the post, you can determine what day you want to schedule the post, but I just saved mine in my draft. So this is where you will be spending most of your time. And to me, this is a lifesaver because in one sitting, I can push content to all of my different platforms. Let's see down here. If you wanted to, this is your settings section. On the far right hand side, there's also an affiliate program. If you wanted to share your link, analyze your results, and earn your money. So right here, if you wanted to join the Metricool affiliate program, you can have your own link here and then track when people are signing up for it, the clicks, the registration, your earnings, and your balance. So that, my dears, is a quick overview of all of the different features that Metricool has to offer you. So far, I'm using the tool and I do think that it's a really, really good option, especially because it's free. I'm still new to social media, so having something like this is really helping to lessen the curve of playing on all of these different platforms. However, I still only focus on YouTube and Facebook right now, but really honestly only YouTube is the one that I make sure every single day I am actively doing something on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this overview of all of the different features on Metricool. Okay, so that was your full tour of Metricool. If you are building a brand or a business while you're working full-time, right, this tool to me is a game changer, especially for the price, because it will help you work smarter and not just harder, right? And so let me know in the comments below, what platform are you currently using to manage all of your social media right now? Are you already using Metricool, or do you have a better tool? I mean, some people love this app, some people don't, but for me, it works out well because it's free, right? And if you want to see more videos on my step-by-step tutorials or videos on financial strategies and systems to leverage your career to build long-term wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Until then, my darlings, keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.